If you are an investor and you're contacting a real estate agent, you better be ready. The quickest way to get to the bottom of a list of real estate agents, the bottom of their sort of, I'm going to send you properties list, is to give your agent exactly what you're looking for in a house. Meaning, I want these bedrooms, I want these bathrooms, I want this rental rate, potential cap rate. I'm looking in this neighborhood. I'm looking for check. And they provide it to you, and you still sit back and go, well, it's something I need to think about. I'm not quite sure yet. The real estate industry is a fast-moving industry specifically to the investors. Because of the amount of investors that are out there currently buying property, when a property comes on the market at 8 o'clock on a Friday morning, you need to be ready for when your agent sends that property to you at 8:30, for you to make a decision on that property by 9 o'clock to have offers in and be ready to close. Finances have to be in check, or whatever, however you're paying for that property needs to be in check. You need to have everything aligned perfectly and be ready to move. If you're not, get out of the investor game.